Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making Keto Viral Pull-Apart Sandwiches, a cheesy, savory, and low-carb dish that's perfect for sharing. Loaded with deli ham, gooey cheese, and a buttery garlic spread, this dish is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 loaf sliced keto bread, 1 pound deli ham, sliced, 16 slices Swiss cheese, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup butter, softened, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. Directions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the bread loaf in a sheet of aluminum foil, shaping the foil like a bowl around the bottom. In a bowl, mix together the softened butter, minced garlic, and Dijon mustard. Spread the butter mixture between each slice of bread. Place a slice of Swiss cheese and 2 to 3 slices of ham between each slice of bread. Cover the top of the loaf with aluminum foil and bake for 10 minutes. Remove the foil, sprinkle shredded mozzarella over the top, and bake for another 5 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cooking time: 15 minutes. Total time: 30 minutes. Kcal: 340 kilocalories. Servings: 8 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.